Guys, good morning! Finally, nag-snow na dito sa Whistler. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Tapos yung mga puno din, guys. Ayan, kita. Ganda! Merry Christmas, guys! Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. Wish ko na lahat ng mga wishes nyo this coming 2024 in the next 12 months mapangyari yan. And of course, may mga plans man tayo na hindi nangyaring this 2023. There's always a reason for everything. And syempre, diba, pinatatag, they make it, we became stronger sa mga napagdaanan natin na problems, and of course a lot of life experiences as well this 2023. Ayan, so we need to give thanks to the Lord who give us another year, another life, and enjoying these life experiences. Yan, ang ganda. Thank you, guys, and of course don't forget to pray always for all the blessings received, for all our family members, friends, workmates. Diba? Ayan. Ganda, guys. Feliz Navidad. Ayan. So, I'm excited now to go snowboarding if I'm done with my work early today. Ayan. Kasi I've never went up to the mountain since 2 weeks ago. Kasi as in, walang snow, guys. And, syempre for me, delikado yan pag matumba or diba, kasi snow, tapos minsan ang dami pang bato, tsaka mga twigs din, yung mga halaman na pwedeng madaanan habang nag-i-snowboard. So hindi ko yun, hindi ako umakyat. Ayan, so I'm gonna enjoy now. So this is our wish for Christmas dito sa Whistler, is to have a snow, and thank God December 25, ayan, nag-snow early this morning. So umaga pa lang dito, guys. Ayan, thank you very much. Ayan.